Imagine a world without zippers. Buttons, hooks, and laces were once king, making dressing a fiddly chore. The journey of this everyday invention is quite surprising. It began in 1893 when Whitcomb L. Judson invented a clasp locker for shoes, but this early design was unreliable, often jamming or breaking. Its adoption was incredibly slow due to these frustrating reliability issues. Years later, in 1913, Gideon Sundback perfected the design, creating a much better, hookless fastener. Yet, its unexpected path continued. For decades, social perceptions deemed this clever invention too racy or unconventional for adult fashion. It wasn't until the 1930s, when a smart children's clothing company embraced it for tiny outfits, that the zipper truly zoomed into popularity, becoming the everyday essential we can't live without. A truly surprising triumph.